Welcome to our channel, our superhero life. I'm Laura, aka Diana, Wonder Woman, and on this channel we talk about all things Wonder Woman, Superman and cosplay and just putting smiles on people's faces. Today I've got a little package and it is some Wonder Woman workout gear from oh shit, who are they from? What's the company called?
Wodlife, is it?
The Wodlife! But before we get started, you know what you need to do. Hit the subscribe button and there'll be a little bell somewhere as well to tell you when our next video is out. So let's get going with this straight away. I have not opened this. It came yesterday and I don't know about you, but as soon as parcel arrives, I feel like I have to rip it open, but I've saved this special occasion just for you. So appreciate the patience that it's taken. Right, what have we got in here then? A bag within a bag. This one is also sealed up. So let's open up this dotted line and see what's inside. Okay, what's the first? Well, when I open it, this is the first item that I see. Check that out! Look at that. What are these? These are the... I don't know what these are, but oh my gosh, take a closer look at this. How lovely is this? And that's like a plastic or something embossing. Let's open it up. Oh, truth, compassion, strength. Oh, it's the weights belt. I really hope this fits. You never know whether these things will fit or not, you know, because of... wow, look at that. That is totally wicked. On the thing it says, help me Wonder Woman, I'm being kidnapped by a flying saucer. And then on the inside, you've got truth, compassion, strength. Oh, can't wait to get this bad boy on and see if it fits. Should do. Oh, look, and you've got a little zip inside. Zip inside there for keeping hair grips and stuff. Right, what's the next thing? Leaflets. Let's put it all out. It looks like Christmas. Okay. Oh! Look at that! That is totally wicked. That is awesome. Okay, so we've got a little thing on the back here. Let's unwrap it. What have we got in here? Oh my gosh, the packaging is amazing. Look at this, it's all Wonder Woman paper. How nice is this? So these will be the shorts, the booty shorts. And just look at the back of them. You've got that lovely Wonder Woman logo right on the back there, in gold, and then the Wodlife there. They look like they'll fit me. Don't you think they'll fit me? Yeah, they should do, shouldn't they? That's the problem. So we're in the UK, and this came all the way from Australia. And so if these things don't fit, it's always tricky, isn't it, to know. Next one. Okay, so we've got the same picture. What's in here? Oh, this is my little bralette that I've ordered. Okay, so the same packaging. Oh my gosh. You want to see the inside of this, but this is the outside of it. Look, it's got the little Wonder Woman there. It's so cute. And then look at the inside. That is so wicked. Look at all this. It does come with these little pads in the bras. They always do. I always whip them out, to be honest with you. But I don't know whether you can. Oh yeah, you can on these ones. I don't need the extra padding. That's just me. Next one. Same cover as well. You know I'm going to keep all of these. Right, what's this one? So this one is kind of got like a silver, not silver, a gold loop. So kind of like the lasso. What's this one? This is the t-shirt. So they do a t-shirt. I got all black because I'm just, you know, I prefer that kind of colour. So look at this. Pow. How nice is that? You are stronger than you believe. And on the inside of it, you've got the Wonder Woman bit as well. Love it. Now it's nice and clean. 5 minutes in our house, it'll be covered in cat hair. Right, what's this one? Same. You can see I've ordered loads. As soon as it came out, I was like, I need everything. Knee sleeves. So these are the knee sleeves. And they've got the little pulley to pull them up there. How wicked are they? So you see we've got the kind of embossed here, which is all raised. And then the Wonder Woman. And you see these straps on the side? They help you pull them up. They look a bit big, those ones, but we'll see. We'll see. Alrighty, so next one coming up. These are the socks. I love socks. The thing is, I always wear Barry's socks, so he'll be really pleased that I've got some of my own. But look at these. And they've got left and right on them. But they're all stitched, these ones. Have a look. Come and have a look so you can see what they're like. So these ones are all stitched, you can see. And then on the inside, it's like a motif. So there's no like printed on here. And even look, this is stitched as well. This is all raised like plastic. And then these ones, while you're here, how cool are these? Look at them. And again, look, it's all stitched on. Wicked. Right, this is the last one. Ooh, I love this. And remember, if you love this and you're liking it, hit the subscribe button, especially if you're into the fitness stuff as me. Okay, due to the delicate nature of the gold logos, please take extra care when washing and wearing. That's a note for you, Barry, because you do all the washing in the house. So these will be the trousers. Let's see what these are like. I'm always really fussy with trousers. I like them to be thick, and these do feel quite thick at the moment. So let's see. I hope they fit me. So these are the trousers. Oh, they look like they might. They've got pockets on the side, so you can put bits and pieces in the side there. And just like the shorts, they've got the Wonder Woman logo at the back. Now I've ordered a large in these. I don't know whether they're going to fit or not. I always find it so difficult with sizing because everybody's different, aren't they? But I did spot something on the bottom there. There you go, the Wodlife logo, and it's all raised as well. So there you go. That is my Wonder Woman haul. I cannot wait to try it on, and I'm going to come back and hopefully it will fit. But in true Wonder Woman style, I'm not just going to go off camera and come back on. Oh no, I'm going to do a spin and transform on the spot. Are you ready? Ta-da! So it fits. I will be honest with you, the sports bra, I will be wearing a bra underneath it, because if I was to do a burpee, a double under or a box jump, they would definitely come out. But the trousers fit really good. I'm really pleased with them. I've got my weight scale on, so you can see it's a pretty good fit. The trousers fit. Now I've got a large in the trousers, but in the shorts, I think I've got a medium. So if you are going to order from these guys, always check the sizing. Yeah, medium. So, and I know they'll fit me, but always check the sizing, guys. One thing I didn't try on was my t-shirt. Let me try it on now in front of you. So this is what they call a cropped t-shirt, and I've gone for the small, I think it was. Yeah. There you go. What do we think? So there you go. That's my little haul from the Wodlife. If you want to get some of this kit, I'll put the link below so that you can find it there. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just me and my personal opinion on the kit that I have ordered. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, smile and pass it on. And we'll see you on the next one.